Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 117. Today we share a bit of knowledge and some tools pertaining to the ubiquitous emojis we all take for granted. As I looked into emojis, I realized that this is a deep rabbit hole and one that would turn off many of our viewers, so I'm going to keep this simple. I'm going to tell you one very interesting and useful fact, and as I usually do, I'm going to explore the implications of that fact. Then I'm going to share a couple of tools that you can use with that, hopefully all under 5 minutes. Before I do that though, I need to address the fact that emojis aren't taken seriously, and are often seen as just a millennial fad. However, I'd like to think of them as what they really are: pictographs. In many ways, they act as modern-day cuneiform or runes. They aren't just for silly communication, they show up in corporate emails, press releases, and even White House economic reports. In 2015, the crying emoji became Oxford Dictionary's word of the year. A full 92% of all people online use emojis. Emojis can help clarify what you mean in otherwise vague text. Take this following phrase in 3 different ways. Emojis can help convey ideas to students who don't speak your language or who may struggle with reading due to disabilities or age. Emojis look like graphical pictures, but they're treated by your computer as actual text characters. Now let that sink in. How do you normally deal with pictures on your computer? You can copy-paste them, but only to certain things. You can save them as image files. You can attach them to social media posts, but you can't put them in the middle of a sentence very easily. You can't enter them into a form or a spreadsheet or a database directly, like into a field. Also, sometimes you have to host the images somewhere. You certainly can't put them into the file name or an email subject or other plain text fields. But emojis act like text. So yes, you can use them anywhere you could type actual letters. In fact, most programs treat them as actual characters. Each operating system has its own image variation it uses for those characters, but they're accepted nonetheless. So yes, you can use emojis in the title of assignments in Google Classroom. Yes, you can use them in your email subjects and body. Yes, you can use them in spreadsheets or nearly anywhere you could type, or even in Google form questions, since much of that can't be enhanced with text styling or images within the text fields. This means that you and your students can be much more expressive in writing anywhere. Okay, so now for the tool. The challenge for many trying to use emojis on a computer is that there's no noticeable emoji option on a keyboard, like there is sometimes on a phone. Well, there's some solutions. In Windows, you can pull up its built-in emoji library using the Windows key and the period key. On a Mac, it's Command-Control-Space. If you're on a Chromebook or would rather use a better graphical interface, check out getemoji.com. You can scroll to search by category or search by name and simply select, copy, and paste the emoji you want to your clipboard. Another site that works well is Unitpedia's copy-paste emoji. Just search Google for Unitpedia emoji and it's the first hit. While it doesn't show all of them on one page, it lets you simply click the icon to copy and paste it, and then it lets you add it to a list if you want to string together a bunch of emojis for easier copying and pasting. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to receive email notifications, leave a comment or idea for a Tech Tuesday video below, share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.